Oh, it's a Phantom.
It's just
yes,
cursed.
Perfect, Zach.
It's so cursed. No, it's too bad.
Cadillac Phantom.
It's too ruined. It's just look like they did something to it.
They did something.
Fuel type, gasoline. Wow, that's obvious.
No, it could be diesel.
A diesel Cadillac.
Hey, you never know.
True. Entertained for the count.
Now that I think about it, diesel is less of an elegant fuel than gasoline.
Yep. But I guess it's better for fires.
Oh, no, not really. Diesel burns slower.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know what we need to get?
What?
Sometime we gotta look for, I think it's 85 Honda limousine. It's the one that Jared Pink has. He calls it Honda Rousey. And I don't know what it is about that car, but I love it. He put a VW Golf diesel engine in it, and now it's in pieces, but it still resembles a Honda.
Bro, this thing's like funky designed.
Ooh, funk. I think that's 70s, right?
It says 50 now. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, you're right. 59 and like 60s are round taillights.
Nice and rustomatic.
Rustomatic.
Looks like a boat.
Okay, there's something about it. It might be the rock guard paint. You know that rock guard paint?
The what?
There's these paints that
See, another one of these, Torn, look, no description, just a picture, $1.
I think these are people that just like want to get the pictures of the cars out.
Yeah, it's just kind of random, though. Like, there's so many places you could post that.
Yeah.
Watch this. Face looks weird. If I don't even have to include that, and it'll just come up with cars. See?
It knows what you want.
Oh no, not a Corvair. Unsafe at any speed.
And you're the guy with a shoe. What is it?
It's a Nova, but the Corvair had faulty suspension in the back. So it was like susceptible to flipovers. And a lawyer wrote a whole book about it. Well, not a whole book, but he wrote part of a book about it.
Well, I actually have to go to dinner in just a minute.
Darn.
Man. Ooh, look at that yellow one. $700.
It's like a little push car.
It is a push car. It's perfect.
Ooh, looks nice and baked.
Ooh,
We gotta check that one out.
nice and toasty.
Oh yeah, nice and toasty. That wheel's not looking.
Seriously,
That wheel's not looking happy.
Nope, not a happy tire.
So seriously, what, Torrin?
We gotta start like a GoFundMe.
Yeah.
People to fund us, and then we'll travel around the U.S. bringing music to people.
Yeah. Now let's hope the FCC doesn't have patrol cars.
Yeah. FCC patrol cars.
That's your. That's your faulty like phone thing, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can hear it, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, Funko-matic styling. Like, look.
Wait, I thought
Wow.
the back window was kicked in, and then all that was just like resting on the.
Look how much is after the wheel. It's like, wow.
Well, that's 60s styling for you. 50s, 60s styling.
These trucks look so angry.
I know. Oh yeah, that's the GMC. It's the same time that they use at Kings Island on Mystic Timbers. that prop truck.
Oh, they have a prop truck?
They have a prop truck. Prop
Blah, blah.
Prop truck in front.
Oh boy, look, the front fender.
Ooh, great deal. $400 for a fender.
Fender bender.
Just the minor one.
Hey, Rustomatic Rambler.
Oh gosh. You see, anything AMC, you just kind of like shudder and
The Pacer.
hide your wallet from.
Look at this thing, Torrance. Like,
When you're looking for a truck that old for actual work, you know there's something wrong with you.
AMC.
Okay, like I was saying, anything AMC, you kind of shudder at it,
Mm-hmm.
look back at it, and then hide your wallet from yourself. Because, like, you kind of want it because you take pity on it.
Yeah.
But you know you'll never survive the money pit that it is.
This doesn't have a description, but it looks kind of like a Cadillac. Kinda. I just hear "Vroom" every 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, that's our group chat.
There's a lot of random stuff.
Yeah. It's 1959 or whatever.
Yeah, I just typed. I think I just to see what would come up. That just looked like oh.
Yeah. Ooh, it's black already.
Yeah. We'll trade for a 3/4 ton Suburban.
Suburban.
You know, he wants that 3/4 of a ton Suburban.
Ooh, he's going for the under 5-second quarter mile.
I like how just this oven pops up.
Their electric stove.
I wonder how the fridge is faring.
How is the fridge? Oh wait, look at that. Go up.
Mhm.
It's Ramon from Cars.
Where?
$176 all the way on the right. Next to Yogi Bear or whatever the heck that is. For $100 million.
Oh yeah.
Chevy.
I like the drawing on it. We gotta check that one out now. Just clear out of the drawing. Oh, it's the trim. They're selling the trim.
It's just
That makes sense.
Go back. Go to that one thing. It's $100 million.
Where?
Right there. Down there. It's next to the Apollo.
Years worth of Hummels.
Wait, what?
It's these like the statues grandmas collect.
Folks, that's what the grandma's willing to
Yep, I guess. Oh, wait, what's this? They're selling just a bunch of random stuff at once.
pay. Oh my god.
The love chamber.
I don't think you want to do that in reverse.
Yeah, like you gotta deep clean that before you use the car.
Yeah.
Oh boy, here we go.
Oh man.
Chatty Cathy.
Chatty Cathy.
There's just a lot of rusty trucks for sale.
Yeah, I figured.
You'll never run out of those.
Never. Oh, when it's really quiet up here, it's kind of interesting because sometimes it's just like sporadic. I just saw a toilet.
Where?
So it's really sporadic how.
Oh, yeah.
It's tech.
mean, some are unsavable.
Some of them just you have to give up.
Like let's take a look at this one.
That one is probably savable compared to the other ones.
Yeah, I like the nice Crackle Magic windshield.
Snap, crackle, pop. Rice Krispie treats.
Yum yum yum. Oh no, here's another AMC.
The AMC Rambler. AMC has some of the scariest names for their cars.
The Rambler. Rambler.
Sir. They all sound like deranged things.
Yeah. And just in the middle of all this, another one of those.
Buick Roadmaster. Wait, was that a soapbox car?
This?
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't even have a description, so let's just look. I guess it must be. Is that like that's like a rake maybe on the front?
I don't know.
Kind of cursed. Oh, this is definitely savable.
Oh yeah.
It's falling apart. Just like this. They're selling it for 15,000 even though it's like dead.
Yeah.
Oh. We gotta look at this, Torin.
Ooh, fan.
If it loads. Van. Like really low res photo of the van.
Yeah.
That thing, yeah. And see, look, another one. They're all over the place. Oh.
Oh, who's that?
It's Vintage Salvage Waynesville.
Oh.
I swear. Mercury.
Mercury.
I'm seeing a lot of beat up AMC and Chevy.
Wait, is that a dub Nissan Cube?
Where?
It is a Nissan Cube. The red and silver.
Oh yeah. That's just a no.
No, and they're asking $4,000 for it. No, $5,000 basically.
Just destroy it.
Oh yeah.
I'm curious about this. That front's kind of whack. It's like.
It looks like it was like stuck brushing it in his teeth, and then it grew tusks.
Yeah.
And so its tusks got polished.
Well, what's that? What's it say on the back? Some force. Something.
It's got a big butt. It has a very big butt. That's the only thing I can think of. Cut.
Yeah.
Is that a cut?
Okay. Let's keep scrolling this madness that is Facebook Marketplace.
Wait, is that a Honda CRX? So that full body wagon.
Another one.
Another Buick Roadmaster.
Oh yeah, you gotta get the the Murica PT Cruiser.
The Murica PT Cruiser.
Mr. Extreme is back.
Oh my god, it's Mr. Extreme. Yo.
He's back.
He's back.
I can't believe it. Okay, let's search another random year.
Is that an Acura Integra up there?
I scroll all the way back up. I don't know.
No.
It's
I
just.
saw something with pop-up headlights on it.
Let's just search van. I'm just gonna search van and see what humorous stuff shows up.
Humorous stuff.
Van. Another aggressive photo. Van. Yeah, this is what all the. I'm gonna be on the watch list.
Go up just a bit. Where is that? Like, it's like a JDM van. Go up. Or there it is. 3,900.
Which one? Oh, this one?
Daihatsu.
Torn, I'm gonna be on the FBI watch list. They're like, you're searching van?
Van. Anybody who wants a van gets immediately struck down on the FBI watch list.
Yeah, I'm curious about, bro. I don't know. I don't know what they're trying to sell me. I'm just waiting for the really rusty vans. That's what. No, free, found in the woods van.
Found in the woods van.
Van. There's so many.
There's a truck.
This just looks like a box.
Dodge Superior Suburban.
The box butter. Here we go. This just looks like. It looks pretty sad.
It's Dodge Arrow.
Oh, there's your rusty 2000 Ford van. I like how they're just trying. This is just popping up too.
Yeah, that's a Volvo. We gotta get a delivery van. That's what we gotta get.
Oh, and a Volkswagen van shows up too.
Hey, that's not that bad.
Well, let's take a look. I think the floors will be through.
Oh yeah, there's not gonna be any floorboards at all. Ooh,
that's nice.
Everything's screaming right nest.
Oop. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Nice air holes.
no floorboards.
You know, speed holes.
Safe floorboards.
Oh, that looks really safe. Yeah, you can see the sun.
You get a nice hippie sun in there.
You know, you only live
Oh,
one.
it doesn't even have it.
Hey, but the steering wheel looks good.
The steering wheel's good.
I like the bullet hole right there. Yeah, that's dead. Oh, there's your seats, Torn. And there's the motor.
Works. Oh, there's the engine.
Serious buyers only.
Seriously.
No trades. No trades. They got put it twice. Oh no. Oh yes, I do like my Chevrolet Chevy. We gotta look at the RV. This just looks cursed.
Alright.
Okay.
I have to